Investing in stocks during the Esk8 electric skateboard craze can be very profitable. So if you're trying to find the best stocks to invest in during this time, we've got you covered. First, let's talk about Tesla. Their stock has been on the rise lately and they're one of the most profitable companies when it comes to electric transportation. They manufacture electronic vehicles and other sustainable energy products. Buying Tesla stock during the Esk8 electric skateboard craze could be a good decision. Next, there is Boosted Boards. They're one of the leading companies in the Esk8 market and they offer high-quality electric skateboards. Boosted Boards was founded in 2012 and has been growing steadily since then. I would definitely recommend investing in them during the Esk8 craze. Third, you should look into investing in Upstart Holdings. Upstart is a leading platform offering consumer loans to borrowers with good credit scores. The company had its IPO in December 2020 and has been successful ever since. They recently announced a partnership with Comunitas Capital, a venture firm investing in companies in the electric vehicle industry, which makes investing in them even more appealing. In summary, investing in Tesla, Boosted Boards, and Upstart Holdings during the Esk8 electric skateboard craze could be a wise financial decision. So if you're looking to make some money, consider investing in these stocks. And as always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more investment tips.